Starting in just a second. Welcome to the stream. Welcome back to OJ. Okay. Just a few more stuff, I guess, and then I'll start. And there. Okay. We have started. Welcome to the stream. We're gonna be doing art because that's cool. And, you know, all that jazz. So, first I need to do something. I need to do some counting first. Do that. Okay. Oh, so there's some bugs in the Game Maker thing. You can't see it, but there's stuff. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Time to pull the calc out. Short for calculator, if you're new to the stream. 16 times 18, 288. So that's what the, okay. It's the height, 288. And then the width, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Did I count that right? Wait. Yeah. Okay, so it's 256. Okay. 256. Cool. Just make sure this is working. Okay. Master system. And we're gonna need, where is it? There we go. Gonna need this. Oh, that's like almost the same. That is, wait, that's actually that's actually the same width. That's okay, that's cool, I guess. So we are going to be making the bookshelf and other assets that I didn't do for, you know, the game, or for the bedroom level. So that and that. Okay. Then we're gonna need another one. I could have just easily put this in the tile set, but if I did, I'm pretty sure it would frick up everything, which would be a big no-no. 1, 2, 3, wait, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. We are good. That. Okay, cool. How am I gonna do this? I'm using my own desk as a reference, by the way. It's just it's something. Okay. So I guess for like a base, we take half of this. That'd be half, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That. Take that, and then we're gonna need to. Oh, why is that? Oh. That. I don't think I really have to worry about. Oh, actually, yeah, I probably do have to worry about like that. But could do this. And then that. Yeah, that works. Cool. Then need to add like little side things, I guess. Wait, hang on. Just like my thing's even Steven. So there. That looks about right. Then you're going to need this 4 pixels, yeah. I might have to make this shorter, like a whole tile shorter. Then do this. Sounds. How's it going? Goose, welcome to the stream. I'm making art. That's all I'm doing. Either that or I work on the video game as well. I'm gonna choose the latter option and not do that. I'm just... Ow. No. I'm just trying to draw a desk and it's failing like pretty bad. But just sit back, relax, and listen to Sonic music while I do this. And while I do stuff. I don't know how I'm gonna do the inside of this. Like for shading. Maybe dithering. I'm also probably gonna have to make this another tile shorter. I do not plan this. I actually never wanted a desk in the bedroom level, but we're doing it for the fuck of it. That works. Then we're gonna need another one of these. All the way over here. Like that. I'm basically just referencing anything that's in my room. Like, for real, this is probably what my desk... Like, I'm making it look like my desk, but not like my desk at the same time. Like, I have a bookshelf on the left, but I'm putting it on the right, because why not? And then... there's like another... there's like one of these... that I'm gonna have... oh my god, this is stupid, but whatever. Put that John there, I guess. Make this... no, this works, I guess. And then I guess I can make this like that, that. Ugh. Cool. But then I'd have to make this stretch out like half. That is off by 1 pixel, that's dumb, but whatever. Then gonna need the what is that? V or is that U? Looks like a U. We're gonna do off-centered. Okay. Then we make book. Just some random book, I guess. Guess that works. Put some of those on top of each other. But shift each. Actually, make the outlines this. Guess that's good. Okay, I'm gonna do this one as well. Just do a straight line. Actually, give it a second. So we can still make that like this. Yeah, that looks better. Cool. Actually, this looks weird. Yes. I do. That. I'll just do this again. feel like I want to reference the beefy computer from CSGO. Let me just get an image of that. There we go. Yeah. You're going to have the beefy computer. It's gonna be epic. So start with this. Bryson now canonically has the beefy computer. Play the best games imaginable. Like, not Counter-Strike. This top part is like a curve to it, so we there's like a down arc. 3, 3, 2, 2, 1, 1, 2. Again, 3, and that connects it. Sucks that the player is not gonna see like any of this. Probably. Let's change this to be like that. But it's nice to have a reference to such an epic game. beefy. Looks pretty good. You missed me struggle on making a desk. But you also kind of missed out on making the beefy PC. So, hi Tukeni.
Hello.
I think that's...
I'm kind of late, so
Yeah.
didn't see.
You didn't see the beefy
Yeah,
PC.
Oh, I can see it right now. Nice. I have it like paused in my stream. I can just see it.
Could probably share my screen to Discord, so the latency isn't like catch up, but whatever. We're done with this part, the actual
Yeah.
computer. Then I just need to do these ones. I also made it canon that Bryson owns the beefy PC. You could play the latest and greatest games on it.
Bryson owning the beefy PC from Counter-Strike is just wild. Pretty accurate recreation.
Yeah.
Actually, I own the computer the BPPC is based off of.
Yeah. Like, actually.
Yeah, it's... I scrapped it, most of it for parts, but I have the case for it. If I, like, slap a sticker on it, I can make it the beefy computer from from Counter-Strike.
Nice. Just this. So yeah, this desk is basically, it's like loosely based off of mine.
IRL desk.
Yeah. Except I don't have the beefy PC.
Dang. If OJ ever makes any money, or a sufficient amount of money, buy the beefy PC.
I should.
Just for the gag.
Honestly, I should. Like, beefy PC is just so iconic, I gotta.
Yeah.
Do a little of this, that, and then that, I guess. That works. Maybe this. Yeah, this is definitely gonna change, like, after the demo, but so far this works.
Or would this even be used?
In the bedroom.
Like bedroom beginnings?
Yeah.
It would be something if it was like, if there's ever like a family room or a living room area, it's just like one of those family computers.
There is probably gonna be a living room, but like, I don't know. I'm still like trying to figure out how levels are gonna be structured.
Yeah. To be fair, I just learned how to make a level like not even 3 hours ago.
To be quite honest, I just put shit down and hope it works. That's...
Yeah. I have no idea what I was doing with under the dresser.
Yeah.
That's what I was working on.
Okay. I'll just have like a little mouse on here.
Right. Something it would not at all fit the vibe of the game, but at the same time, having a level editor would kind of be cool.
Yeah. Probably. But also I'm too lazy to code that stuff.
Yeah, that's way too much work.
It's like...
Maybe like way later in the game after like full release.
Yeah, I was thinking that too, post-release stuff.
Yeah.
Doing all that.
Like, we don't even have the demo out yet. I don't think we should be worried about that stuff.
Yeah, we shouldn't be really thinking about that. Just, we gotta keep our mindset on working on the demo and finishing it.
Yeah.
Like, because, you know, we kind of made a promise and we gotta follow through with that promise.
Speaking of, I know what I should start doing right now. I should start working on the itch.io page again. I haven't worked on it in like a month.
I still kind of have to make the The
The stuff, the assets for it.
yeah, the art
Mm.
for it, I guess. And I'm gonna be lazy and I'm not gonna draw the details on the keyboard because I'm that lazy. Just do this and that. I'll probably do like that, that, that.
It would probably take about like half an hour to an hour to complete all the levels.
Yeah. Then again, we'd
I'm
have
sure-
to code in like mechanics. Because when I made the game design doc, I was like, maybe we should have like theme, or like have a theme and then have like a specific game mechanic that like goes with the theme.
Yeah.
Like I was thinking of bathroom the room, or no, not that. That's not the name of it. Like the bathroom level to be like either a beach or like a sauna. I think I'm gonna go with the sauna vibes because of the music that Rudy had made.
Mm.
I think I'm pretty much done. I just need to add the these things at the top.
Would you say that OJ is colorblind friendly? I'm setting up the HIL. I'm looking at the things I need to put. I mean, you don't really need to see colors for it to work properly.
Yeah. You don't really need to like see colors if you want to play the game.
Yeah, so the things I have put down right now is colorblind friendly, interactive tutorial, and configurable controls. Well, maybe not configurable controls. I don't know about that one yet.
Yeah, we still have to work on that.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the back of this will not be. So that will just be the wall. So yeah, I'm pretty much done with this. Might make this shorter. No, never mind actually. Wait, actually like maybe.
But OJ has a lot of controller support. Not that I'm
Yeah.
looking at it.
Yeah, you did a great job with that controller
Yeah.
support stuff.
I need to work on the vibration because
Yeah.
the original controller I was playing with while setting up the vibration only had on or off, but when you use the Xbox controller, it actually had multiple vibration levels, so I want to make it a little bit more immersive.
I
For
don't
like
know.
as you're building up the punch, it has like different vibration levels.
I don't know if my controller has vibration because my controller isn't like a official PlayStation or Xbox controller. It's just one of those knockoff controllers.
I have a like a Candy Con John or something. It's like a Nintendo like off market controller.
Yeah.
It has vibration, but like I said, it only has like one vibration setting, so it kind of sucks. I also have like actual Xbox controllers.
Okay. S desk. this will probably just go on the what layer did I call it? Miscellaneous.
Yeah.
Okay.
You're going like that's what close is, just a miscellaneous.
Yeah. And then I have.
I mean, unless you no, I would say it wouldn't make sense to add it to a tile map, but
Yeah.
maybe at the same time.
If I did though, then it would totally break all of the tiles because
Oh, it's not on the proper.
yeah, it would mess with all the tile IDs because I remember when I was first working on Bedroom Beginnings, I forgot something in the tile set, so I edited it and then it just messed it up. So
That's oh dang! Like, do you add a lot of stuff? Cause I messed with the tile map to add like a couple of things for the dresser, so you can do the under it. And I guess the way I did it, it didn't mess up anything because everything was in the same place.
I think I messed with like the height of the
Yeah, that makes sense.
yeah, either I think it was like the height of the like that little part, like the top part of the comforter on Bryson's bed, and then I added like the shelf tiles.
Dang, that sucks.
Yeah. I don't know why Game Maker does that. It's kind of dumb.
Yeah.
Because
I mean, to be fair, most other engines just wouldn't accommodate at all.
well,
That's the same.
Godot
Godot.
it would like if you update the tile set and like use like the PNG file, if you update it, then Godot would like actually add it and won't really like mess it up, but also yeah, I'm seeing some issues in the code right now where when you're like resetting everything, you're also kind of re-declaring variables, so it's making like for example the wall slide speed.
Yeah, that's might be a problem.
So I was watching like some Sarah Spalding videos, and they made like a separate object for dead enemies and dead player, and what they did was like with this object change into like the dead one, so then we could that would probably fix persistency because then you could just restart the map.
Yeah, I was on like for dead enemies, you could just like when hit, it'll go up and then it'll create the dead enemy, then delete itself, and then that dead enemy will just fall down without any problems.
Yeah. So,
I mean, that actually might be better because they'll allow for a little bit more things so it can have events happen as they're going up and events as they're falling down dead. I don't know what that could be helpful for, but that could be helpful.
yeah. Because yeah, if it's the other object that's, and it would also probably fix the, what is it called, the look ahead thing, because you just destroy it and then when the room restarts it's recreated, and it would just be probably instant. I haven't tested it out, but if my theory is correct, then that would make everything so much better.
Yeah. Yeah. In terms of, be fair, I thought the hardest part about making OJ would probably be designing the levels. No, it's just getting the stuff to design the levels and make everything work properly.
Yeah,
That's hard.
because I think all we have to do is just lay out the levels, and then
Yeah.
we lay out the levels, we do the, like, the last part would be just coding in, like, the unique mechanic that's
Yeah.
for the level,
Mm.
which I'm
The
thinking,
same.
like,
Um.
the Hot Wheels track, but I have nowhere
Yeah.
to put it anymore, I don't believe. Unless,
Let's
like,
say Hot Wheels track. If it's doing a loop-de-loop, maybe we can just have. I don't know how that would work. Maybe just having it follow a path and rotate with it.
yeah.
That would make sense. I'm saying, to be fair, you're making OJ. We practically made an entire game engine on top of Game Maker. Cause now pretty much once we have all these bugs sorted out, you have everything you need to create practically an endless amount of levels.
Yeah.
You maybe have to add some assets, but that's like it. That's kind of cool.
Yeah, first part I'd have to map it out, or not like map it out, but
You know, like, yeah.
start with drawing the assets, the tile set, and then after that, you
Okay.
know,
Oh, so when you just fall off the map, them experimenting with my level, it just looks like your character's not there. That's like the only thing that happens. You just you can walk around through things, but you're just not there.
yeah.
I cannot do any coding next week. Maybe except like Friday. No, I can't even do Friday. Cause I have exams all next week.
Okay. So I guess you could probably just send me the build that you have,
Yeah.
right? Like, now.
Yeah, I need to fix something cause I don't know what I did, but like something I made a bug, a new bug, and it just decides to kill itself. So it shouldn't be that hard to fix. Cause I can only whatever I did recently is the only thing that could be the problem. It's just but the fact that I have short term memory, this can be fun. Like I
Yeah.
cannot remember a single thing that happened 5 minutes ago.
Oh man, this tutorial's so hard. How do I get past this jump? Oh man.
So when that hmm. Do I hate how my keyboard's built? Like my all caps is a really big button, and it's next to like my most important keys. So I'm always pressing all caps,
Yeah.
and then everything I try to type in coding, since it's all very like um capitalization specific, I always mess up the code, and then something just doesn't work because it's capitalized or not.
Dang.
I need to get a better keyboard. I got a keyboard skill issue. What the heck? Why is the HUD dying like this?
Ooh, clipped.
Nice, your streams are going on for about 60 minutes now. Oh,
Yep.
I'm reading the comments. A dev named Robo. This looks so cool, but you should make it where your camera less abrupt. Yeah, that would be something we should work on. I still need to work on more of the camera. I kind of worked on it, but I didn't like finish fully, like
Yeah.
fixing it. It's better, but it's not great.
Yeah. It's like I just don't know how to. I can't really do it. It's like I can do it, but like
Yeah.
a stupid thing. Where it's like we got a lot of bugs, RoboDev. We just
We're working on it.
We're working on it. Totally.
Just one bug at a time.
Still don't know why it's doing that.
Dude, most underrated Discord feature, stream shared Spotify playlist.
Yeah.
I can actually listen to it without having to deal with the I want to listen to the music, but I don't want to turn on the stream sound, or it's just gonna be feedback. I'm gonna just hear myself over and over again. You know, heck yeah. Do I need to make clips of this stream just to, like, post this short so we can actually get people to start paying attention to OJ
Yeah,
more?
I guess you could do that. Oh, I didn't put collision there.
Just need some more interesting random things to happen in OJ. That's interesting, yes. Oh my.
Yeah. Should probably do like a crouch or like look down sort of thing.
Teabag.
Because I remember when making like
Any
weird-
dialogue? Not yet.
Not yet. We're gonna plan and do
Maybe for the cutscenes and the tutorial.
dialogue for the tutorial level.
Yeah. Maybe some cutscenes might have it.
Probably, but enemies can't really form words.
Yeah, but
Onto
like I don't think they can speak.
voice
Clips. I wouldn't think so. It'd probably be like how Undertale has it. It's just like a noise played at variable pitches to make it sound. You know what I mean?
It would make Bryson feel more alive as a character to have
Yeah.
a voice, but I don't think
I can I can imagine his voice, but it wouldn't fit into the game that well.
Yeah, because
'Cause if you think about like Rayman, Sonic barely had voice clips, and Rayman, I don't think he ever spoke either. Maybe like one time, but I don't think it was ever in a game.
you know, it's like maybe we could do voice clips, but like I don't think we should make it like the Mario Advance games where it's like Mario says everything you do.
Yeah.
I don't want to make it like annoying, but it would definitely make
maybe like some cutscenes. Like, I
yeah,
don't know, screaming, like falling or something. I don't know. When you die, I don't know.
or like balancing. I don't know how I would do like balancing off an edge, but like
That was the balancing. It'd probably be like a sound effect, like a, I don't know, like a woo. I don't know how to put it.
because like
Like voice acting.
like in the old Rayman, in like the first game, it just goes whoa, and then
Yeah. If we were to have, for some reason, full dialogue, for some odd reason, I do have some a teams of voice actors. I do work in voice acting too. That was actually the first thing I ever got into. I didn't get into game making until like a couple years ago. I've been like voice acting and animating most of my time.
yeah. What enemies do you have? So far, we have OJ pouches, you know, regular old enemy. You know, just like the very basic enemy. I think there should be like another enemy just to like add variety to the level. Because right now there's just one enemy. Yeah.
I mean, we should probably plan on making some more enemies. Don't know, not like the car one. I
Yeah.
think if we ever do like a under the bed or under something, a sink or anything like that, dust bunny enemies,
Yeah.
they just like it'd be easy to code. They just like they wouldn't even go for the character. They would just like roll around until they eventually hit you.
I feel like they'd just be like fodder enemies because like maybe we could have the punch, you know, chain enemies together. I was thinking of like DMC style meter.
Yeah.
But I don't want to make it like I want to make this game a little bit unique, you know, make it not like every Wario like indie platform.
Make a secret dice boss. If I were to, maybe make an Easter egg that, when I was saying it probably wouldn't be much of an Easter egg. It would probably just be my logo for my channel. It's just a dice, some dice, but that would be so hard to code. Having to code an entire boss for an Easter egg that 99% of people won't see.
Yeah. I think
That's the thing about coding like big Easter eggs. If most people aren't gonna see it, because well, if it's an Easter egg, it's gonna be secret, and it's gonna be kind of just a waste of time.
yeah. But it's like I think we should just think about secrets and references
Yeah.
like during final stages or
Could have been a random chance for that. Are we both working on the game? I'm not currently working on his version of the game, but yeah, we're both working on the game.
yeah.
I'm just not streaming right now. I'm just working on some old code so I can give you a updated build with some stuff, so you can do with what you do with it what you will. I'm just trying to get the progress I made not even last stream, the voice call from yesterday. I'm trying to get it back. This is one bug that just will not go. I need to ever like just go find old version of the game and then just cross-reference it with old code so you can just like replace the code. That's what I just do when I can't find I know what the problem is. I just need to. I forgot what was there.
There's a whole lot of bugs in
Yeah.
the game right now, so
Yeah.
like
The thing about bugs is that you can get rid of one and then it'll make like two more. And then when you get rid of those, there's even more, and it's a chain reaction that's hard to stop.
it's like those damn cockroaches, I swear.
Alright, this should maybe fix it. I do not know. At this point, it is just. I'm just hoping at this point. I'm begging for it to work. And it did not. That was not the issue. Is it a camera? How much would the full game be? That's a good
That depends
question.
on how much stuff we have.
Yeah. I think. I'll think of probably prices of like Rayman, but like divide that by like 2. And I don't remember how much Rayman costed. It was I know it was somewhere that wasn't like too expensive. I searched up Rayman cost and it gave me a costume. It was like it's like $22 for like Legends. So if we're gonna do a full version, maybe like $4.99 or like $9.99. It wouldn't be anything super expensive.
Yeah.
I mean, even then, $9.99 for a indie game like this is still asking for a lot. Because a lot of people do not want to buy it unless it's like on an actual app store like the Nintendo eShop or like Steam, which is why we need a Kickstarter.
Yeah. $19.99. So yeah. Rayman Origins, I got it for like $5, but it's.
I got it with like I think Ubisoft. I got it with like Xbox Gold back in the day when I used to exist, or I have it with like Ubisoft Plus or something on my Xbox.
Yeah.
No. Rayman is one of those like really fun games though. Like this is like one of the best games for a game to be inspired from. It's just a built different game.
Yeah.
I think of like the Legends challenge modes where you have like the games, the mini games or multiplayer and all that. That would be. I don't know how that would fit in with Ryzen. I don't know. Side story. It's like a sleepover, and then like the almost the same exact thing happens with the shrink ray. I don't know. I don't know if Bryson has friends.
He probably does.
I don't know. I hope he does. I hope he's not just a lonely, sad kid. That would kind of make the game depressing.
Yeah. He definitely have friends.
Yeah.
Just like I'm too lazy to design characters. Cause
Yeah.
I remember making like art of a poster. There's like if he did have friends, they'd like hang out and go to this corner store. And that's what like I got the name for Closet Corner, and it's like a corner store that sells clothes and
Yeah, that makes sense.
store items. Introverted orange drink juicer. Bryson he's definitely introverted, but it's not like he's.
But like, he's not completely. He has friends, but like, he's not the most out there guy.
Yeah.
So he's just average.
He just, and he does play, he plays video games on his beefy
Game Boy.
computer.
Beefy computer.
And he plays.
He should just have like a knockoff Game Boy Advance. They plays a knockoff Rayman on.
He plays Full Life and Full Life 2. He plays, Boom.
He plays Door in Door 2.
He plays
Knockoffs of like Portal.
He plays Rumble Champions. He plays, what is it?
He
the
plays.
Game Child. Wait, Game Child
plays-
should be a reference. Wait a minute.
Yes.
Game Child.
He- What is that reference? I'm trying to remember. That's a reference to
Game Child
a
is
show. Is that a reference to like Amazing World Gumball or something?
I think so, but there was like also a actual knockoff.
Oh
Game
yeah, I'm
Boy.
looking at it. Yeah, it is an actual knockoff.
Like it's real.
Oh my god, you can actually buy them.
Yeah. Bryson also plays Speedy Blue Mouse Mania. He plays
He plays
Overworld. He plays
cargo. No, I'm trying to think. No, cargo animals on a knockoff of Pokemon.
he plays Scottish Pilgrimage versus the Planet, the video game. And then he also plays
He's the GS1.
Marsbound. He plays Father. He plays what's a synonym for neighbor? Hang on.
Hello Kin.
He
Like hello close relative.
he plays two nights at Fitzgerald's. He plays
I'm trying to think of what would be a knockoff of like WarioWare.
he plays the Tower of Pisa. Literally just the Tower of Pisa. Nothing that has to do with any Italian cuisine. Sapien Crosswalk.
He plays Thursday afternoon Funkin'.
There's Edward's Nightmare Cookout. I actually haven't played Enna's Dream Barbecue yet. I should probably do that. Looks like a fun game.
He played 3 Nights at Fred's.
Cinco Noches con Alfredo. Yeah, played that game. And of course, Super Bernie World. I can't really think of a knockoff of that. It's like a knockoff in of itself.
Yeah.
That's like almost all of the games I have on Steam. Oh wait, actually,
I forgot I have Steam. I haven't used Steam in like a good month. I just like stopped using it. It's not even on my desktop anymore.
Yeah.
That's how little I use Steam. I just like use itch.io. I've been working on OJ so much. I only really use my computer for streaming OJ, playing some games, Minecraft, because I have a server. I play a server with some people, and I think that's about it. Oh yeah, speaking of, I forgot. I host a server that I host for some people, and I forgot to plug it in for about 12 days now.
Damn.
Yep. It runs off my computer, so I'm not about to do that right now because it's gonna make my computer just crash out. Because if I'm doing anything remotely power hungry while doing it, it will just crash.
Dang.
Trying to think of another name for a Team Fortress 2 knockoff. That's what I'm gonna stream next. I'm gonna stream Team Fortress 2.
Actually, I haven't played that in a while. Who the heck is Schmo? Oh, it's somebody. Now I know who this guy is. I haven't played TF2 in a
Ryson,
while.
introverted orange juice drinker. The game chat. Mars bound. Sapien crosswalk. I'm trying to read the comment section again.
Solo Castle 5. Ah, yes.
Oh, Overstory, like Undertale. I get that one.
Overstory.
Trying to think of another indie game. Or not indie. To be indie or not to be indie? That's the question. Let me just look at the homepage of itch.io. I forget stuff too easily. He plays a game called Apple Juice.
Apple Juice. like the Donkey Kong reference in the Mario movie. Full Dame. Yes.
Yeah. You know, I'm just gonna start playing Team Fortress 2 now. I haven't played in like.
Hang on.
Wow, actually no, I don't think I played in like 2 months.
Wait a minute. Friend me on Steam. We should definitely do it.
All right.
Hang on.
Gosh, I'm sick as hell.
Hang on. Let me send you my Steam friend code.
All right. No, don't show it on stream unless you're trying to get doxxed.
It's on the BRB
I learned that the
screen
hard.
right now.
One time I accidentally oh gosh, it's Valve, why are you doing this to me? I just got like freaking blared in the ears by Valve opening.
I usually just skip
One
it.
of the best sounds, but it hurt. Yeah, I just skipped it. But now my computer is unresponsive because I opened TF2 and I have GameMaker open. My computer's just not meant for this.
Have TF2 at like the lowest graphics ever.
Yeah. For crying out loud, I'm playing TF2 the way they intended it. On a 4x3 screen.
2006.
Let me just... Oh, dear lord, it's so loud.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn down my
I am
volume.
lowering this.
I have like 30 minutes left on my computer.
Why
so
is the
I'm gonna
graphic quality high?
Oh yeah, they probably just reset. They probably just reset your graphics. That's what happened with me.
Yeah.
They
How do
could-
I even have... I'm looking at the speaker configuration. Here's your option. Headphones, 2 speakers, 4 speakers, 5.1 speakers, 7.1 speakers. How do I have 0.1 speakers?
2 speakers, 4 speakers, 5.1 speakers.
Alright, what's my resolution? I don't think I need 1080, man. I'll probably just stick with like 800 by 600. My screen's actually old enough to support that these days. My screen's old enough to support. Oh God, I'm so goddamn sick. Worst thing to do, be sick and stream.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna actually add you on Steam now.
Okay. Probably gonna play this for like 20 minutes, maybe like a payload match.
Alright. Also, to be fair, my computer's so freaking old that I can barely play TF2. I can, but I have to make sure like I have nothing open. So I only have like 5 hours to play time.
Yeah.
I can play TF2. I've played it. It's just I'm not like extremely good at it. I'm just gonna give you a very fair warning.
Yeah. I main medic mostly. Or that's like the class that I do well in.
Mm. I'm okay with Scout.
Yeah. Then I did a little bit of Doom Deathmatch stuff.
Mm.
Like classic Doom Deathmatch.
Mm.
It's pretty fun, but it's like old, clunky, and can't look up and down. It's like I just
Yeah, but it has its charm.
yeah.
That's how it is with most Valve games. A lot of them are very old and outdated, but they just have their charm. Like Portal 1 and 2, one of the best games of all time, if you've ever played it.
Hmm. I haven't played the Portal games, but I have played half of Half-Life 2. I haven't gone through like
I haven't got to Half-Life yet.
Half-Life 1. It's fine. It's
I
not
forgot
like
how much Half-Life costs.
Half-Life. Oh, I got both Half-Life 1 and Half-Life 2 for free during their 20th anniversary
Dang.
or 25th actually. But
I might, instead of just buying Half-Life 1 and 2, I might just buy the orange box that has Half-Life 2, Portal, and all of it. I don't have Portal 1, I just have Portal 2.
yeah.
Wow, this is crazy. This bundle's so old that it has Team Fortress 2, a free-to-play game in the bundle. I forgot how old Half-Life is. It's like 2000, which is actually really good.
Yeah.
They all release like the same time. That's kind of crazy.
It was like 2006 or 7.
Yeah.
Team Fortress 2 was
Lost Coast.
2007.
Yeah. Half-Life is just another one of those games that just like it lasts no matter how long it's been old, how old it is.
Yeah.
It's an ageless game. I'm still waiting for Half-Life 3, man. When they release Half-Life 3, I'll buy them all.
You have one achievement out of 520.
Yeah.
Crazy. Okay.
Be fair, I don't really play games on Steam that much.
Yeah. Just see if the stream. Okay.
Alright.
Time to queue up for like. I think payload. Payload's good.
Alright.
I used to main engineer for like quite a while. And then I did pyro like once, I'm pretty sure.
I never got good at pyro.
W plus M1. Okay.
Alright, I'm joining.
Now I could finally go into matches without worrying about bots after what happened last year. It was crazy. The propaganda was insane.
Okay, I'm looking at my performance report. I only have time with heavy. Like, I have I have hours of game time with heavy. Then I have like a little bit with like engineer and like the others.
I have about 2 hours with heavy, 16 hours with engineer, and 10 hours with medic. Spy is my least played class because I don't like. Spy is pretty hard to play. Just like. You have to think about what your opponents do and try and
Yeah.
do that.
It's like being an actual like spy. Like it's one of the most accurate.
Oh, I guess we're going on Borneo.
Yeah.
Please be red so I could do engineer. That would be much appreciated. And I'm on blue. And we're in a pretty empty server. So.
Alright.
I guess I'll do sniper with huntsman.
And at least we have more players.
Yeah. I hate medics that do that. Just uber charge like right before.
Alright. Yeah, one.
Oh, sniper.
Oh dang. Alright, okay. Wow.
I have to flank them. How many snipers do we have? It's just me and this guy with the off.
Alright, there's a sniper in like the wooden shack area.
Yeah. There's also a pyro on left.
I'm trying to push the cart
There's like
for payload. I'm changing classes. If they want to have snipers, I'll just change to a sniper at this point.
Is that a teleporter? Holy poop. How did that soldier not see me?
Medic!
Holy poop. Holy poop. Okay, wait. Think of this. Never mind, we don't have to think of this. We are going to change classes, and we are going to do aggressive engineer. Mind. Apparently there's like 5 snipers on that team.
Dang.
It's crazy how they're not all bots. I'll go this way. Yeah. Oh. Oh. 6 people on the team. 2 spies. And the cart is moving back. Okay. Definitely gonna need someone that has mobility.
Finally, actually killed someone.
I haven't played this game in a long time. God, somebody's Uber.
Garden ain't moving. And I'm on fire.
Revenge. Holy poop. We're pub pushing. Oh no. I got caught by something and splash damage killed. Bug push. Classic pub push. And we're not gonna make it.
Dang, we're in overtime.
Wait, are we gonna make it? No, there's a sentry.
Wait, we actually might get this.
We got
Nice.
it. Classic team pub push. Why'd he switch his rocket launcher out for a refrigerator?
Okay, the only really effective class at this point is like
Oh,
freaking soldier.
I do have my rage meter. I think there's an enemy.
And no frick.
Dang.
Alright, we're actually getting the same thing.
Spy behind me. I was bumping into a spy.
Back down. Oh, dang. Why did they go up moving?
Thank you, engineer. Please take care of that guy.
Attention. 5 minutes left in the mission. What the hell? Stop pushing the car!
Alright, almost to the next checkpoint.
Okay.
Alright, let's go.
What the hell? Stop pushing the car!
Sentry ahead. Sentry dead.
Much obliged. Need a teleporter here! Need a teleporter here!
Oh my god, they have full control for that area.
We do
Yeah,
have
there's
full
no
control
going in
of
there.
the outside.
Yeah.
They only have like a mini sentry up there. And they have a sniper. If we could get a spy in there.
5 minutes left in the mission. 5 minutes left in the mission.
I mean, this shouldn't be.
I can probably get myself in there.
How many kills you got?
4.
Dang, only got 2.
Only level 2.
Oh my gosh. So awesome. Get that cart moving. If we can take on that turret, we can get it.
I tried to. They have 1 level 2 sentry. 3
Keep
soldiers.
moving back the cart.
Engineer is just turtling that sentry.
They have another turret right there.
Someone's Ubered. Engineer is just loving that sentry, I guess. We need like 2, at least 2 soldiers to overpower them.
Dang it. I push it like an forward. It's like impossible to get it right there.
Dang. Sucks, I'm gonna have to leave the match.
Dang.
Well, that's it for the stream.
Alright.